Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. See, today I have received board LA EA994P. So it's a power on no display case. See, I'm connecting. Check the DC. Initial amp is good, 0.011, and after that 003 something it will come. Usually, yeah. See, it came. So input side everything is good as per experience knowledge. Okay, now when I press the power button, the amp should be minimum 400 or 300, 350, 250 and above. But what amp we are getting? Touch, there's no movement. Again I touched. See, amp rating is 0.168. In this condition, what are the coil voltages we are getting? See here, it's a light, it's glowing. LED 10 is glowing, and amp is 0.170. Here there is no heat. Sometimes heat will be very less. Okay, let me check one by one what voltage in the multimeter. 5.2. This one is 3.4. 1.35. Here is a coil. This coil 1 volts, 1.007. Here also okay. And here is the battery one, I think so. So battery one, it's a 2.9. And here is a core. Oh, it's working. 0.7. It's working. It's working. It's working. But there is no display. To check the display, I don't have USB port because it has short, so we disconnected. What we have to check? How to check in this case? So we need to connect the screen. That is the only one option. See here, I took a screen, I connected to screen. Now I'll connect. Let me check. DC jack is 0.11. 0.11. I will turn it on. See the DC is still same 0.169, but there is no display, even backlight also. What is the condition of this? So here we are getting core, everything we are getting, right? See the light, what will be the issue? Sun is getting heat or not, that we will check. Till now there is no heat. Now in this case, what we have to check? We checked all coil, right? Even this is a 1 volts coil, this is 0.75, and here it's a 5 volts, 3.3 volts. Here is the RAM 1.35 volts. If RAM is not good, this won't generate. Here also it's generating. Then what we need to check? Still there is no display. So how many times you restart it, it will be 0.172. Okay, we do one thing. We will check one by one all requirements. Okay, it's purely UMA motherboard. I have a question to all. The main question is without RAM. See, I don't have RAM here at present. Without RAM, can we get the core voltage, PLT, RST, all S0 state? See, all S0 state, can we get it or not? See, RAM means up to 1.35 volts. Volts we will get, but point something will be there. No, this we won't get, right? Usually. Those voltage S5 stages we will get it or not. So that is the question to all. So guys, what you people will tell? Shall we get it or not? So practically I am going to check, so you people also have look. Usually S3 to S0 state without RAM it won't come. That is the fact, right? So what kind of fact it is, it's a true or not, in practically we will check. Now first we will check this one is 1.35. Okay, in coil we will get it or not, that we will check. So we will check in multimeter one by one. Here what voltage in this coil, 5.2, right? In this coil is a 5.2. This coil it's a 3.4. 3.4. Check the DC. So 0.167. 3.4. And one more RAM coil is RAM coil, it's 1.36. Okay, 1.35. And one more coil is here. What is that? It's 1.05. Okay, this is the coil. And here one more coil is there. Here the IO. Near the IO one more coil, it's a 1.0 volts. Okay. Now what we got? We got 5.1, 3.4, here 1.36. Here it's a 1.8. Sorry, 1.05. Here it's a 1.0. Right. So now core I'll check. This is the main turning point. See the core. Are you sure is the core? I'll check on that. What is the number? See, PLG1. PLG1 SOC V in. SOC V in is nothing but core. See, this one is SOC VNN. It means it's a VCC core. Right. See, CPU B plus, it's a CPU voltage. This one. Okay, what about this coil? Here only I will check. Is it there? PLZ2. What it is? Here it's a PLZ2. Okay, what will be the voltage? See, 0.740. Here is a question, how it's generating S0 state. Without RAM, can we get the core voltage? But we are getting here. How? Question mark. Okay, what about what is that sequence, power sequence? I'll come to the beginning one. Last one is PMC, PLT or ST. See, this is the last one. It should not generate it, right? So will it generate? It's U53. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we will check 1 not connected. 2 is a PLT or ST. It's a 1.8 volts. 3 is a ground. 4 is 3 volts. 5 is 1.8 volts. Okay, we will check U53. See, pin number 1 is not connected. Okay, pin number 2. See, it should be 1.8. So it's 1.8. Correct. Pin number 3 is ground. Number 3 is ground. Pin number 4, 3.3, 3.4. Pin number 5, 1.8. It's generating PLT or ST. We are getting. What voltage we will check then? Okay, reference voltage shall we check? That also I will check, just a minute. So First one, core DDR core power, okay, that also we will check, okay, one by one. See, we can check it here, right? U55, pin number 1 not connected. Pin number 2, it's a 3.3 volts, correct? It's a PMC core power, okay. Pin number 3, is ground. Pin number 4, see, it's 1.35. Pin number 5, .34. Okay, this also working. What voltage we have to check in this case? In no display case, without RAM, these voltages are generating. Here till here it will be off, right? What is that? This voltage 1.3 volts. After that it should be on. Without RAM, we are getting. Here it's a 0.675 Vs. That also we will check. PJPM1 0.675. PJPM2 is 1.35. RAM voltage also available. Any voltage, it's a 1.8, that we will check, right? Here we can check. Here already U61. Pin number 1 not connected. Pin number 2 DDI enable backlight. So pin number 1 not connected. Pin number 2, and here it's a 1.8 volts. 1.8 volts we are getting. It means this also available. See, here almost we checked. It's 3 volts Vs, 5 volts Vs, 1.8, 1.5 also is there, 1.35, 1.05, 1.0, 1.0 Vs, 0.675 SOC VNN, SOC VCC, 1.3 V, all S0 state, S0, right? S0 state volts we are getting without RAM. The main point is without RAM. So now please tell me, without RAM shall we get this kind of voltage or not? So my intention is to show something new. So that's the reason I made this video. So here what we saw, without RAM we got all S0 state voltages, right? Power sequences. So is it possible without RAM will it generate? So that please put it in comment if you have any doubts regarding this or any suggestions. Okay, thank you very much.